Today I will show you how to find gender of your leads using Derrick's in 100% automatic workflow. So first of all, you will need one column on your Google Sheet with full name. If you have first name, last name in separate field, you can merge it and then you will have a full name column. And then you will need the recap. If you don't have the recap yet, you can download it by going to Google Marketplace and go to Derrick, click on Derrick, click on the blue button, it will install Derrick on your Google Sheet. And when you finish to install it, you can close this tab, go back to your Google Sheet, go to Extension, LinkedIn, Email Finder, Derrick, open sidebar, and you will see this beautiful sidebar. Then you can check for clean, or you can also go to the sidebar, the search bar, and try gender, for example. You will see this feature, find gender. Click on it. Derrick will ask you the column where is your full name. You can have, for instance, you can have 20 columns. There is no problem with this. Let's, for example, this column. Derrick will automatically find your header here, and you will be able to select the column that is with your full name. So this is this column for us, the full name column, and then you just have to click on preview 5 or find. This feature is 100% free, so you have no limits and you can use it for free and with a free plan, premium plan with unlimited time. So just find it. And then, as you can see, Derrick will create some columns. So, let's just hide. And as you can see, he will first split first name and last name, and he will also try to estimate the gender of the lead. So for all of them, it's male. And for this one is female. When he is not sure, he will not answer, like as you can see here. And here you can see if name is a mixed name, like it's a name for male and female, so he is not sure too. That's all. It's quite easy. You just have to download Derrick and you are good to go. Hope you will try this feature and see you later. Bye.